Not bad for a little, you said budget $150?
$150 for the whole car. It gets down for what it is. I know you gotta hit a button.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Wow. Are these subwoofers or speakers?
Subwoofers.
Okay.
OEM Controlled Explode.
Oh wow.
These
So
like
are these? Is this how they look the other side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have the room to involve. The box
there you
ain't
go.
big enough.
Did you just wire reverse?
Yeah. These are wire reverse. These are normal.
Okay.
They want like 0.6 cubes apiece.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is your port tuned to?
It says 32 on the thing, but it's not 100%.
Okay. Yes, sir. How big is your box?
So the sealed box was for 215s.
Okay.
And it was like 4.3 with me cutting the inside of it, probably close to 4.4.
4.4, okay.
But they want sealed at 4.8.
Yeah. Wow. And this slid in?
Not easily.
Not easily. It looked like you tight fit space. Appreciate it. Give them a thumbs up. Really budget-friendly subsystem. And it's all on a Pioneer?
Yeah, it's a little Pioneer 800 by 1 that does more than 800.
Oh, wow. Any box, any kind of electrical upgrades?
Besides the big 3, it's all budget, 150 the entire car, less than 150
All right.
the entire car.
Nice.
Like I have an OEM radio.
Okay. Make it work.
I know you gotta hit a button.
Thank you. What was your name, man?
Cody.
Cody. Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Not bad for a little, you said budget $150?
$150 for the whole car.
There we go.
Whole car.
The whole car.
Whole car, everything. Like,
Wow, there you go, man. I like it.
and it gets down for what it is.
Yes, sir, it does. Good daily driver. Appreciate it. Give them a thumbs up. Really budget-friendly subsystem.